Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw inside of FieldGenius using the traverse tool. So if you're someone that needs to make some cubes or you need to make some things that are parallel or perpendicular to a drawing, this is going to show you just that. So what I'm going to do to begin here is select my calculations option at the bottom of the screen and click on the traverse option. Now, what I'm going to be doing in today's video is creating a box that is parallel to my existing drawing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from point number 5 here. So I'm going to select that as my start point. Now I'm going to project this parallel out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a bearing that is in reference to 2 points in my drawing. In my case, between points 5 and 15. So to do that, I'm going to type in 15.5. And then when I add a distance of 10 meters, you can see that this is coming out exactly at the same bearing as the bearing between those 2 points. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add another point 10 meters out from that to create the first part of my box. And now what I want to do, as I said, is create one that is parallel to my existing drawing. So I'm going to, again, using my bearing tool, I'm going to do some arithmetic on my bearing. So I'm going to go plus 90. So I'm going to do a 90-degree or perpendicular angle to my existing bearing. And you're going to see here that that automatically creates my line 10 meters out from that bearing parallel to my existing drawing. And this can be done with any kind of arithmetic. So if you want to add 45, 10, 12, 13, minus 90, minus 10, anything like that, you can add using this tool inside of your azimuth calculation. And again, I'm going to set my line parallel to the other side of my box here. So I'm just going to go 19.20 to get back on my original bearing, save that final point. And then if I wanted to create a line that I needed to stake, all I need to do is close out of my traverse menu by clicking the X in the top left corner. And then if I select any point on my box here and click on new line, I'm going to be able to trace out all 4 corners and draw a square. And then with my square and my lines drawn, all I need to do is click on that line and click on stake if I wanted to stake it out. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That's how you use the traverse tool and the arithmetic inside our azimuth box to do some quick drawing inside of FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.